Until she watched it, she heard a big bump. I kept hearing something, and I got up and came out here, and it was horrible.
Right there at the sprinkler, so I'll try to take that mound right there, and I'll be able to sit up over that light. Slow it down.
That multi-dude and all these buses too.
We'll hold a lot of water.
We got a leg. Out of the AC. Coming out of the AC.
I wonder if that thing had a condenser, could have the ice broke off in it.
Yeah. Blue on the AC. Second panel over, right there.
Over here?
No, yeah.
Second big one or the small?
No, small one. The big one and small one, have a look.
Yeah, I moved you guys over, kind of out of the action.
That was good.
Yeah. I didn't want your computers to get wet.
Yeah, I was outside talking with him about his truck. He and I got the same truck, except his has no steering wheel lock on it, and mine does. I don't understand that one.
He drives a Spartan and you drive a Freightliner. I don't understand that.
There's hardly anything been coming out the drain out there.
No, come out here. Come out Thursday.
Yeah, but why didn't it go out the drain? Because it looks like it's popped.
Popped over there in the corner, didn't it? You see a little thumb cock right there?
Something about a damn aqua guard.
Yeah.
Oh, slide that bucket in front of you forward a little bit, Rich. There you go. That's about everything on top of it. Anywhere on it. Freaking rolling through it now. Whole place is full of it.
Scare you?
No, it was a loud bump, like I thought somebody was up there.
Put this over here. That's his water bowl. I gotta clean it out and put some more water in it. Huh? A tick? Yeah.
They stole him.
I squished him.
And he was out there. Yeah. Put him on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Always playing, coming up short. Why would you
Okay, you done? Did you say goodbye to your buddy? Did you say goodbye to your buddy? Huh? Can you show him your trick?
I
Show
said,
him
when
a
I
trick.
came in, I said, you had a red leash this morning.
Yeah.
Say bye. Say bye. Oh,
Yeah.
bye-bye. Bye. Oh, yes, sure did.
I thought
Sure did. Thank you. We'll see you next time.
All righty.
Say bye.
Y'all take care.
Okay.
Nice seeing y'all.
Y'all be
Nice meeting you.
careful. And enjoy your bucket list. Thank you. Come on, buddy.